Okay guys, so it's about 3:30 in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, and last night we packed the boat up. So today we're going to go for a fish, see what we can catch.
Alright, so we made our destination here. We're down at Port Welshpool, and what I've got right here is an 8.0 Reedy's rig hook right here with just some squid on it. I'm going to wrap it up with some cotton, and what I've got right here is an eye, and if you put negative and positive on it when it touches the water, it flashes just like that. So hopefully we can get a catch. So let's see how we go. Salmon, off the salmon here, and I'm just putting it on just the double hook right here. I've got a Lumo tube here with a Lumo band, so I'm just hooking this on right now. And through there, and one through here, just like that. Alright, now let's shock that. So I feel like I got a little bite on this one right here. I don't think I've hooked him, but we'll see if the bait's gone or not.
Lance, here, give me that one.
Oh, it feels pretty heavy. I think there might be actually something on here. Oh yes!
Okay, so right now I just caught a Gurnard fish, and this fish are like the scavengers of the sea. They're very popular in Port Welshpool, but you gotta watch out for these fish because these fish are very spiny. They have spiny heads, thorny spine, everything like that. And if you get stabbed by one of these, they release very painful venom into you. So you better watch out in handling this fish. Luckily we didn't get spine.
So we're getting bites right here on this one. We'll set the hook. Set. Yep, he's on. There's something on here. Decent. Don't let any slack.
So right now I just caught another Gurnard fish.
Up we go. Yes. Another one. Woo. Got one. Yeah. We are drifting a bit, but I think it's actually really good because when you're drifting, the bait just drifts past. Just like a gummy. We just hooked on right here. I think either these might be a big stingray or a gummy on here. I'm not sure, but we're pulling it in. It's a big weed. Why? Dang. I just saw the rod go off, so I think I'll start with another one. There we go. This one's actually fighting decently hard. Swim over here. There we go, another one. Just pull him up. There we go. That's 7. Alright, so it's 11 o'clock now. So we're going to start heading back now, and I'll see you guys when we're at home. Alright, so a good, easy way of cleaning these fish and getting these scales off them. It's a quick, easy way, and they'll get majority of the scales off. Just get a pressure washer, the tail of the fish onto a clip, and then you just get and pressure wash it. So there it is. Easy way of cleaning a fish with a pressure washer. So because there's so many scales and bones and spiky thorns coming out on this fish, we just started to fillet it, and the meat is pretty tough. So we sharpened all our knives, and we've got to get into this meat right here. It's going good right now. I just started, and it looks like a pretty nice fillet right there. So I'm gonna do all these other fish, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Today we had an awesome day at Welshpool, and we've come back with a feed.
So we've got 7 of these beautiful Gurnard fish.
Probably good eating, but anyway, we could have got a fair bit more, but the boatman was packed in the morning. There was heaps of people there, so we had to wait, and it just got lighter and lighter. So we should have been out there in the dark and then coming up to the light, but we were just out there first at the light. So we had an awesome day at Welshpool, but other than that, see you guys later.